Hello everyone, let's make village style authentic fish fries. I- abs- It's very easy and interesting recipe, and it's perfectly crisp and absolutely delicious recipe. So let's start. I have 1 kg fish. I have washed thoroughly and removed the scale. It's kind of rohu fish and only one bone inside. Let's make masala. I have yellow mustard seed, coriander seed, cumin seeds, garlics, and some black pepper and red chili. So, and some turmeric powder. So, I will grind all these spices and make a paste. Yellow mustard seed is going very well in the fish. In the village now there is very less variety of masala, so I am using only the village style masala. So mix turmeric powder, and for the color only I am mixing the Kashmiri red chili powder. So our masala paste is ready. See the consistency. Now I will keep aside, and I am taking the round pieces for the pakodi or for frying. See, so the pieces has been semi dried because all the water has washed away. Now in a bowl take 1 cup of rice flour or 4 tablespoon of rice flour. Right, rice flour is going very good in the this kind of recipe. And tip number 2, add grinded masala. Right, so 4 to 5 spoon grinded masala I am adding here, and 1 spoon table salt. Now I will mix thoroughly. See, whenever you want to a fried kind of thing, use rice flour because it makes the pakoda very crispy. Right, and now add water and make a slurry. So in batches I am adding water and mix thoroughly and make a slurry. See the consistency. I will keep for 5 to 6 minutes so that paste become more thick. Now I am adding some more water and get the right consistency. See, this type of consistency I want. I am heating the oil in a pan, and now take one piece and coat with the batter. See, coat along all the side and very carefully dip in the hot oil. Oil should not be very much heated or low. Flame should be on the medium. See, so very carefully I will dip the pieces of fish. You can use another wok so that you can fry it very well. Now flip it on both sides and make it cook. In 4 to 5 minutes, one side of the fish has been cooked very much. And now I am flipping it and make the another side to cook. See, very carefully I am doing all this stuff. So please follow each step according to the video. And if you like my work, please motivate me by subscribing this channel. See, in 10 to 11 minutes, fish has been totally crisp and cooked. Now I will take out in the kitchen towel or plate. So in this channel I am trying my recipes to be authentic in common minimum approach. For the less ingredient you have a wonderful taste to enjoy. So I am bringing all these recipes so that available in your kitchen only all the ingredients. So try my recipe and write back to me, and please don't forget to like and share. See the crispiness. A perfect crispy and yummy fish fry is ready. Soft and juicy inside and crispy outside. So you can enjoy with sauce, chutney or salad. So folks around the world who fond of fishes, please try my recipe. Thanks for watching.